my name is Frankie Clark and I'm going to be doing a grunge glam inspired makeup look today. As you can see, I already started with some foundation and concealer, so we're gonna focus on eyes and lips today. So to get started, I'm gonna dip into my MAC Pro Longwear paint pot in the color Taylor Gray. And this is just going to create a nice base. And then I am going to dip into one of my favorites. This is the MAC Pro Longwear paint pot in Black Mirror. I'm just going to dip into it and put a little bit in the corners of my eyes. Don't worry about it being too perfect because we are going to mess it up even more. So I'm just gonna dip into the Black Mirror paint pot again and start to create some lines. The whole look is gonna be a little bit messy, a little greasy, but still on the side of glam. So we got our 3 lines on each side. Yes, they are a little bit messy, but that is the look. I am gonna go in with this pigment in deep purple. Underneath my eye. Eyegloss clear as glass on the top of my eyelids and just smudge all this out. And then this is also going to make a good adhesive for some glitter we're gonna add. Kind of the cool thing about the gloss here is that it will spread, kind of start to make its own shapes and do some cool things. So we're just gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna dip into carbon right here, and I'm just gonna smoke out the bottom a little bit more. My favorite part, we are going to add some glitter. Another crucial step, eyeliner. We are going to add this inside our waterline. It is the GRAPHBLACK Technicolor liner. I'm gonna add some mascara, and this is the MAC Magic Extension mascara. I just used this for the first time and I love it. It makes you look like you are wearing false lashes. So this is an eye makeup look that I would wear on stage just because it's already messy, so I don't have to worry about messing it up even more. And lastly, we're gonna do our lips. I have been obsessed with this MAC Love Me Liquid Lip Color. This one is LAISSEZ-FAIRE, and I just love it because I can wear it every day, and it goes really well with a dark eye like this because it's nice and neutral. It smells amazing. And now that we got that on, I'm also going to add some gloss, and this is the MAC Lip Glass in the color Spite. There is our nice and messy, yet still kind of glam, grunge look. Thank you so much for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Frankie Berry, and I'm going to be releasing some new music soon, as well as doing some more makeup looks. I hope you like this one, this grunge glam inspired look, and we'll see you next time.